I created this with a combination of Tinkercad, which I'm fairly comfortable using, Mesh Mixer and Blender, which I'm still learning. I'm using a pink matte filament by Eon, which is quite nice, and I'll put the link in the comments to that. I use glue stick on the bed, which I find works well. Whatever works for you really, some people don't like it, and I find it just washes off afterwards once the print's done, and you get no effects on the print. I'll be uploading this print free to download, so if anyone wants to try it out, let me know how they get on. Here I'm just showing the finished print. I didn't make the surface really smooth, I sort of left it, which I thought gave it a bit of a fur effect. I didn't use any supports on this print and it came out fine. And that's about it. So if you like the video or like the print, please like and subscribe, it's always most appreciated. And thanks for watching.